walking behind me because it was like kind of busy and it was always so. My phone didn't work. All of a sudden, after like maybe 45 minutes after the tow truck driver came. I just.
Good morning, everyone. I don't really know how great the lighting is because I can't really see the camera, but I thought that I would take this moment in the morning to come out here and just check in. Today we don't really have any set plans, but I think we are gonna go shopping downtown Door County, and I think if it ends up being a nice day, we're also going to go out on the boat, which is going to be so fun. It's one of my favorite things to do here. I usually come here at least once a year because my roommate Abby lives here. She grew up here, and we just kind of come stay at her lake house or her regular house if it's like in the winter. But that is the plan for today, and I can't wait. It was supposed to be like raining all day, but honestly, it's looking like it could be a good day, so I'm like a little out of it because I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. but hope you enjoy this weekend vlog, a weekend trip with the girls, and don't forget to like the video if you like it and subscribe so you can see more of my awesome, very entertaining videos.
Oh yeah, the Band-Aid.
Listen, baby. Listen. Hi.
She's Hernandez. I definitely.
I say yes.